What's going on YouTube, GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I have some great news coming from the Taurine team and from the Taurine Jailbreak. It has been updated to support more iOS versions, so a brand new update is now available for Taurine Jailbreak. We're going to get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by Tenorshare Reboot, which allows you to downgrade easily from iOS 17 to the latest iOS 16 version without any issues. So if you updated iOS 17 and you don't like the experience, you want to go back to iOS 16, you can easily do so with this program. You can also do the opposite. You can upgrade from iOS 16 to iOS 17 easily with this. And of course, aside from that, you can easily fix various system errors like device not powering on, showing a black screen, blue screen, device being in a boot loop and stuff like that, device being stuck on the loading screen, on the connect to iTunes screen and whatever. It can fix multiple errors with just a couple of clicks. To downgrade from iOS 17, you just open the program, press iOS upgrade and downgrade over here, which now supports iOS 17, and you press downgrade over here, connect your device and press initiate downgrade. That's all you need to do. The program is available for both Windows and macOS and a free trial is available. Definitely check out their website over here. So out of the blue, a couple of days ago, the Taurine Jailbreak was updated to support more iOS versions. Yes, a brand new release is now available over here, released September 18th, so 2 days ago, is the version 1.1.7. There are only 2 bullet points here on the changes. The first one says introduce support for devices running iOS 14.4 all the way up to 14.8.1. making this probably the very first jailbreak to support iOS 14.8.1 on all devices. And then it says in here, include a system-wide old ABI patch for iOS 14.5 all the way up to 14.8.1. The IPA file is now available, so this now supports iOS 14.0 all the way up to the latest version of iOS 14, that being 14.8.1. It supports the entire iOS 14 range, while Uncover, which is contemporary to Taurine, is stuck at iOS 14.8 max, and it doesn't support iOS 14.8 and iOS 14.7 and stuff like that on all devices as far as I know. It's limited to a couple of devices, for example A12 to A13 I believe, on iOS 14.8, while as far as I know, Taurine with this update supports all devices on iOS 14.8.1 and 14.4 and stuff like that. So if you're running iOS 14 at the moment, any version of iOS 14, my advice would be to go ahead and jailbreak with Taurine Jailbreak, because this one contains Cilio, which is much more modern than Cydia, which is the default package manager that comes with Uncover. This one comes with libhooker for tweak injection instead of the substrate or substitute, which is much better. It appears to be still receiving updates. iOS 14 is a long time ago, yet Taurine Jailbreak is still receiving updates, as you can see from here. So we got an update right here in September, 2 days ago. Then we got an update in July 2022, another update at the beginning of July 2022. So this one is being updated regularly by the looks of it. While Uncover, well, Uncover has been dead for a long time. Pound2Own is nowhere to be found. He didn't tweet anything lately. It's been years since his last tweet, and we don't know what happened to Pound2Own, but this jailbreak, you can consider it end of life. I don't think any issues that are outstanding right now with Uncover will ever get to be fixed by the original developer. So right now, I would definitely advise you to move to Taurine, because it's the latest, most compatible jailbreak for iOS 14 at the moment. So yeah, thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe for more jailbreak videos and peace out.